My faceless Instagram accounts have made more than $500,000 in passive income. I started building faceless Instagram accounts a few years ago knowing almost nothing, and have now turned this into a profitable business that runs almost entirely on autopilot. If you follow the system and tech stack that I share with you today, then there's no question in my mind that you'll be able to achieve similar results. So with that, let's dive in. Step 1, choosing a topic for your page. And trust me, if you get this step wrong, then all of your efforts will be for nothing. You need to choose a trending topic that people will engage with for years to come. Because if you choose something that's already run its course, then you probably won't find many followers for it. I'll give you an example. Starting a Game of Thrones account now would be a complete waste of time compared to if you started one back in 2016. Whoever made this one got in early and rode that hype wave. You should also be making the topic about something that you actually care about, because otherwise you'll probably get bored and give up early. Step 2. Download the softwares that we're going to use to run this account. This is the full tech stack that I use for creating Instagram content. Mainly, you're going to need a design studio for posts and a video editor for Reels. If you're a student, you can get the Adobe Creative Cloud for less than $15 per month. But if you're looking for the easiest budget options, then CapCut is great for video editing, and Canva is all you need for designs. In fact, I personally just used Canva to grow an account to over 1 million followers. Step 3. Now we're going to start making our content. But in order to do this effectively, we need to understand the human psychology of why people actually follow new Instagram accounts. You should be keeping these things in mind every time you're creating new content. People only follow Instagram accounts for one of 4 reasons. Reason 1 is to be entertained. Think of funny meme pages, comedy accounts, the stuff that makes you feel something. Reason 2 is to learn more about a specific topic, and this can be anything informational. Some examples could be an account that shows you how to get better at basketball, like new skills, or an account that teaches you about the wonders of the universe. Reason 3 why people follow new Instagram accounts is to see more about a specific topic or cause. This could be romantic quotes, cute poems, or self-motivating type content that inspires people. And finally, reason 4 is for someone to stay updated on a certain topic or person. This would be accounts about sports highlights, political news, or as simple as following a friend to see what's happening in their life. Your account topic needs to satisfy at least one of these reasons, but the best follower magnets are the accounts that can tie 2 or more of these together. In fact, I created a follower magnet checklist for you to use every time you create content. It goes like this. Will someone feel entertained by this piece of content? Will someone be curious to learn more about this topic? Will someone walk away feeling more positively after seeing this content? And finally, will someone want to stay updated on this topic? If you can answer yes to at least 2 of these questions, then your account is a follower magnet and you're going to be successful. And I do go a lot deeper on this stuff in my new Instagram Blueprint course, but the reason I'm showing you all this is so while you create clips and posts, you can try to take advantage of this basic human psychology and retain as much of the traffic as possible while people are seeing your content. So with all that in mind, let's start creating some viral content. First, I'm going to show you how to create simple posts using Canva. Let's say your channel is all about fitness. We can come in and create something like this. The first slide is bold and gets people to stop and actually look. This is called the hook, and it's about 80% of the total battle. I like how this looks because it sparks a level of intrigue and contrasts well. Next, we can take advantage of AI by coming to ChatGPT and asking it to give us 10 motivational quotes about the fitness industry by famous athletes. Once you have what you're looking for, you can copy and paste them over into your Canva slides. I definitely recommend that you go that extra mile with branding and adding some cool, relatable graphics, because this is going to add to your entertainment value. Stuff like this goes viral all the time, so you should see some success here. But that brings us to step 4, which is creating viral reels. Instagram has basically pivoted their entire business model since the success that they saw TikTok having. They shifted away from having your feed consist of silly photos of your friends to now being a bunch of random strangers on the internet yelling at your face. This has created a massive window of opportunity for people like you and me to grow an audience faster than ever before by riding the wave of Instagram Reels. Just take a look at some of these accounts going viral. This one has 13 million views and over 1 million likes. But the crazy thing is, the account that posted it is tiny and only has 100 total posts. And look, This tiny account with 300 followers has a video with over 100,000 views. We're truly in the gold rush of content. So let me show you how to create some simple viral reels like these. One strategy I like to use is to find a viral audio clip that's already working well in the space. And then we're gonna reanimate it with better images. So I found this clip of David Goggins telling me that I'm a lazy f***. Now we're gonna come to Midjourney and create some images that go along with the theme. To do this, just type /imagine and then your prompt. I've asked it to create a Greek god lifting in an ancient gym, and this is what it came up with. Now we can throw a few of these into the video editor, add some motion, and voila, we have our first viral clip. Now, this is just one style that's currently working really well on Instagram, but in future videos, I'll be walking you through how to make other, even more engaging reels, so make sure you're subscribed to see that. Step 5. Now that we've created our viral content, it's time to start actually sharing. But before you click share, here's a quick checklist to run through to understand how viral this content will be. Just ask yourself these questions. Will people want to stop and look for a few seconds? Will people want to share it to their story or send it to a friend? Will people want to leave a comment and give their opinion? Will people want to save this for later and come back to? And does this actually provide value and substance? If you can answer yes to all of these, then you're going to trigger the algorithm. Just make sure to screenshot that or come back to this part of the video because I promise that works. Okay, so back to step 5. We're going to start posting. A good rule of thumb is to throw up one post per day. You don't want to drown your audience with content, but you also don't want them to forget about you. I'd rather post 3 times a day and get 500,000 views on each post than throw something up every day and only get like 10,000 views. Step 6 is to repeat what's working. Once you find a style that gets some good traction, you know what your audience likes. It's then your job to listen to them. In other words, don't force your vision down their throat. Listen to their feedback and give them more of what they came to see. Step 7 is juicy. Now we're gonna monetize your account. All the previous steps mean pretty much nothing if we don't find a way to make actual money. And a lot of creators really struggle with this. But I've been able to make hundreds of thousands of dollars with Instagram accounts. There are several creative ways we can do this, and I'll be going over all of these in future videos. But today, we're gonna focus on affiliate marketing. Now, some of you might be rolling your eyes because you've heard of this model or whatever, but what if I told you that I know affiliates who are making over $100,000 a month off their affiliate links? Here's how it works. You need to find a product that is exactly what your audience needs. Put yourself in their shoes and think about what keeps them up at night and what gets them excited. The cool part about being an affiliate is that you don't need to worry about any of the operational stuff that comes with running and building your own business. The only thing you need to focus on is how to market the affiliate product. Then you'll just collect a percentage of every sale. And here's a secret. The best affiliate products usually aren't physical products. You're gonna wanna find a software with a monthly subscription that you'll get a piece of for the rest of your life. For example, I use a website called Kajabi. That's where I host my course where I help more serious people grow and monetize Instagram pages as fast as possible. Kajabi also has an affiliate program where they pay 30% to its affiliates. Right now, I pay $200 a month to Kajabi. So if I had started on Kajabi by using someone else's affiliate link, that person would be making $60 a month from just me. That can add up quick with more referrals. So look, the final step in this blueprint comes down to you. If you stick to this roadmap, invest time, money, and energy into this goal, and surround yourself with people who have already achieved it, then there's no doubt in my mind that you're going to be successful. Thanks for watching today, and make sure to subscribe for more like this in the future.